I am going to be doing another DIY right now, and I'm for a couple of very, very special friends of mine. These two girls stick by me through thick and thin. Always happy to see me. Never get angry with me. Always there when I need them. Always there for a hug. And I want to make them a Valentine as well. So that's what we're going to do. And if you followed me at all, you know who they are. Bella is always wanting to eat, and Polly always wants to get into a picture. So may I formally introduce you to Bella and Polly, my two sweethearts. So what we're going to make is dog treats. I'm just going to show this to you, and if you do want to make it, you can stop and freeze the video to get it. A large mixing bowl spoon, 2½ cups white flour, oats can be used, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 egg, 1/2 cup beef or chicken broth, cutting board, rolling pin, baking spray, cookie sheet, spatula. I'm going to get all of this together, and then I will be right back when it's all in the bowl. I don't know about you, but my dogs are like my kids. And I know people that don't have dogs don't get it. I understand that. But for the people that do understand what I mean, there's no explanation to give. So with that being said, I want to give them a treat as well on Valentine's Day, because they deserve it. Animals, especially dogs, are so loyal. No matter what, they're always excited to see you. They never hold a grudge if you leave them too long during the day. I've never had anyone so happy to see me, I don't think. Even if it's only been a half hour. And so I wanted to do something special for them this Valentine's, and that's what I'm doing. So, we've got the flour. And I'm going off my phone. A teaspoon of salt. I'm going to put a little less salt than a teaspoon. A little bit less. 1 egg, 1/2 cup of broth, chicken or beef. I'm using chicken. Bella is going to be over the moon with this. Polly is more of a finicky eater. Bella's the one, she'll eat anything. And she's the one, I don't know why, always has to eat when I'm on video. Okay, this couldn't get much easier. I did this one because it was just easier. I thought for people who didn't take too many ingredients. There's some out there, boy, they take a lot of ingredients. So let's get this together. I also have from Sunbeam, and this, I'm not being paid for this or anything, I've had this for years, but this is for dog treats, as you can see. So when I'm done getting this together, I'm going to put it in here. It's so old, I don't remember what I did with the directions, if you can believe it. So I'm just going to wing it. I think this needs a little bit more, just a little bit more chicken broth. So if you have animals, let me know. Let me know their names and what they are, cat, dog. I had my beloved Mocha for 18 years. She passed 2 years ago. And she was a cat, but I'll tell you what, she also would run up when I would get home. Hope I didn't make this too... I wouldn't have lost those directions for this sunbeam. Well, we're just going to give it a try. I don't want to go over. In the oven, I believe it says 375 for 20 minutes. I don't think you're supposed to be over there. This is very hot. I burnt my finger on it. Alright, so now it's cooking. When it's done the green light, I'm surmising because it has a check mark, so let's hope that I am right. And I'm just going to put a little cold water on this burn because it is hurting. Okay, so as soon as this green light comes on, I will be right back and we'll see what we have here. Guys, I also have these cookie cutters. And I'm going to try to bake them too. They say 375 for 20 minutes. Seems like kind of high and kind of long for this, but I'm not really liking the way this sunbeam one is turning out because they're too thick and doughy. So I want to try these and see what happens with the cookie cutter, and I have the mixture rolled out. Let me see if I can. Do you see it over there? So I'm going to cut these out, and I'll show you once they're cut out, and then before I bake them. Okay, guys, this I used the cookie cutter, so I'm going to see how these turn out. So as soon as they're baked, I'll come back. And there you go. There are the little dog treats for my little sweethearts, and they really are my little sweethearts. So give it a try, see what you think. There's all kinds of recipes out there, but I just wanted to share that with you. Okay, all right, make your little fur baby some dog treats for Valentine's.